everyone. Today we are going to make a fun jumping game in Scratch. In this game, the sprite will jump over obstacles. Every time the sprite jumps successfully over the obstacle, your score will increase by 1. If the sprite touches the obstacle, you lose the game. And if your score reaches 20, you win. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up sprite and background. First, let's delete the cat sprite, his voice. To do this, right-click on the cat and click delete. Now, add a sprite. Let's add a dinosaur. Next, add an obstacle sprite like a rock or any sprite that you want. Again, click, choose a sprite and pick an obstacle. Finally, add a background. Select a jungle or Jurassic backdrop or whatever you want. Step 2. Place the dinosaur at starting position. Click the dinosaur sprite to select it. Go to the code area, red, green flash clicked block. This means the code runs when we start the game. From the motion category, drag go to X. Block and connect it below the green flag. We use this block so the dinosaur always starts in the same place when the game begins. Step 3. Make the dinosaur jump when space key is pressed. From events, drag the when space key pressed block. Times E by 10 block from motion. This makes the dinosaur move up step by step. After that, drag another repeat 10 block. Inside it, drag change it by 10 block to bring the dinosaur down. So the question is, what is Y? Y is the vertical position. It tells how high or low your sprite is on the screen. When you change Y, the sprite moves up or down. X is the horizontal position. It tells how far left or right your sprite is on the screen. When you change X, the sprite moves left. So if you want your dinosaur to jump up and come back down, you change its Y position. If you want the obstacle to move from right to left, you change its X position. Now, add jump sound. Go to the Sounds tab, click on your sprite, then click the Sounds tab at the top of the coding area. Choose or add a sound. Click the Choose a Sound button. It looks like a speaker with a plus sign to open the Scratch sound library. Then click on the sound you want to add and it will appear in your sprite sounds list. From sound, drag play sound until done block. Below the repeats. Also, increase score when dinosaur jumps. Create the variable. Variables are used to store information like a score or a timer that can change during the game. You can click Make a Variable button, set the name score or whatever you want to call it. Click OK, use the variable in your code. Now you will see blocks like set score to 0, change score by 1, and score to use in your scripts. Use set score to 0 at the start of the game to reset the score. Use change score by 1 whenever you want to increase the score. From variables, drag change score by 1 block and place it after the jump sound. Step 4, make the obstacle move go to XY block. It teleports the obstacle instantly to the position you choose. Use it to place or reset the obstacle at the right side when the game starts or when it goes off screen. Glide to XY block. It moves the obstacle smoothly from one place to another over some seconds. You can use it to make the obstacle slide across the screen towards the dinosaur. Step 5. Add background music. Add background music to the stage. Go to Sounds tab, select or upload a video game background music. Add play sound or upload a video game background music. Add block under the green flag. With a forever block, Step 6. Make the dinosaur lose the game. Go to the dinosaur sprite. Drag a forever loop from control inside it. Drag an if block. If then block in Scratch is a control block used to make decisions in your code. It checks a condition. If the condition is true, then the blocks inside it will run. If it's false, nothing happens. Use touching the obstacle block from sensing inside the if condition. If the dinosaur touches the obstacle, create the you lose. Backdrop. Click on the stage bottom right corner. Go to the backdrops tab. Choose a backdrop or paint to create a new backdrop or duplicate your backdrop by right-clicking. Name it You Lose and design it with text or image that says You Lose. Then add stop all block from control to stop the game. Step 7. Make the dinosaur win the game. In dinosaur sprite, add another forever block. Or inside the same loop, add another if drag and if block. Use the score equals 20 block from operators for the condition. If score reaches 20, show you win and stop all. First, let's make a you win backdrop. Just like you made the you lose backdrop, make the you win backdrop too. Click on this to create a new one or duplicate the same backdrop. Name this backdrop You Win. Design it with text or picture that says You Win to show when you win the game. Add stop all block to stop the game. Step 8. Test your game. Click the green flag to start the game. Press the space key to make the dinosaur jump over the obstacle. You will hear the jump sound and see the score increase by 1 each time you jump. Background music will play while you play. If dinosaur touches the obstacle, the game says you lose and stops. If your score reaches 20, you win and the game stops. That's it. You just made your very own jumping game in Scratch. Great job. You have learned how to make a cool jumping game with the dinosaur, obstacles, score, sounds, and win/lose conditions. Now that you know how to make this game, why not try creating another fun jumping game? Here's an idea. Make a frog jumping game where the frog jumps over logs or water and you collect flies for points. Keep practicing, keep creating, and have fun coding your own games. Well done, and I can't wait to see what you make next.